If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. If you don't know what Inktober is a challenge for all artists around the world, beginner or experienced, where we post either a picture or a video of an ink drawing for every day of Inktober. Now, you can either do it randomly or you can follow the same list I've been following for years. I also have a playlist on my channel where I did Inktober for 2021, 2022 and 2023. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. Welcome to Inktober day 24, the Cryolophosaurus. So this is a pretty hard dinosaur to draw in my opinion. It took me a long time to actually sketch this out a couple times before I felt confident enough to actually do the video. And I believe that past year I did one that's really cool, but I don't really like this one too much, but I mean it's okay. I did this drawing in about, I think it was like less than an hour, which is pretty good. Like, I'm not complaining about that, but again, it took away a little bit of quality. Like, it doesn't look as good as the 2023 one. I'll show you guys the 2023 one real quick. So this is the 2023 one, and the pose is really awesome. I really like how it looks, and I believe that the drawing is a lot bigger than this one, because, you know, like, when a drawing is bigger you can add more detail, and I think like past year I really wanted to outdo myself and make it look cool. The colors aren't too realistic on the other one. These colors are a lot more realistic, I think, and I think that this Cryolophosaurus is a little bit more accurate than the one that I did past year, because this one has feathers, and I can be completely sure, because I know that there's some artists that just draw any dinosaur with feathers because it looks cool, but I think that this dinosaur also had colors. And yeah, and by the way, I'm sorry if you keep seeing my my phone popping in and out of the shot, because I was making a short at the same time to get a little bit more publicity, because my shorts get a lot more views compared to my long form videos, and so maybe I can convince people to click on the link in the shorts, and then they will be brought to this video and they can, you know, watch it, and maybe I'll grow a little faster that way. You know, so here I'm just going in with colored pencils, and I believe that it still turned out pretty decent, but again, like, it's not my best drawing, which is totally fine. You know, I didn't put that much time in this drawing, and it still came out as a, you know, as a decent drawing. So what do you guys think? Did I improve this year, or was past year better?